Mild snoring might seem harmless, but it can actually lead to more serious health problems, including sleep deprivation. Persistent snoring has also been linked to problems in cardiovascular health, type 2 diabetes, hypertension and metabolic syndrome. SnoreZip is an all-natural, oral spray designed to help alleviate the symptoms that may be causing you to snore, so you and your partner can get the benefits that come with getting better quality sleep. Reduce snoring and get better sleep. Increase oxygen flow. Get a more restful night's sleep. Click the link below and get a free bottle offer from the official website.